Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Sam Vadas, here to take you through today's market action. Early tech selling initially sunk markets, but stocks bounced off significantly off the session's lows. However, most major indices are still closing in the red, with the Nasdaq closing 0.6% lower, the Dow barely crossing into positive territory. While most industries ended the day in the green, heavily weighed sectors like tech, consumer discretionary and communications all closed lower. Consumer staples and energy shined at the S&P's leaders. Taking a closer look at the tech sell-off, the sector was down as much as 2% soon after the opening bell, but rebounded off the lows by the close. Companies like Palantir were down as much as 9% a day after the company closed 9% lower. Nvidia, Microsoft, Meta Platforms and Amazon, all the Mag 7 companies that closed below their 20-day moving averages. On the retail front, we saw a wide array of reaction to earnings, the biggest of which was the sell-off in Target. It was a beat on earnings and revenue while reaffirming its outlook. However, investors potentially expressed concern over a change in CEOs. Current COO Michael Fidelki will replace Brian Cornell in the lead position effective February 1st, 2026. Target is down 27% so far in 2025. Meanwhile, TJX tapped a new all-time high on its earnings beat. The TJ Maxx and Home Goods parent company saw a 4% increase in same-store sales year over year and raised fiscal 2026 EPS guidance, believing it can offset tariff pressures. The reaction to Lowe's report was in the middle, with the stock ticking 1/3% higher on its beat and raising guidance. It also announced an $8.8 billion acquisition of Foundation Building Materials, the sale of which is expected to close in the fourth quarter. All eyes will remain on retail earnings tomorrow, with Walmart reporting before the opening bell. After the bell, though, we'll get reports from software companies like Zoom, Intuit and Workday. Also watch for a slew of data from PMI, existing home sales, jobless claims and the Philly Fed. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Sam Vadas. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.